Hello, this is Lance the Hot Tub Wizard, and welcome to 2025. So our goal is to help more people enjoy their hot tubs, kind of like I'm doing right now. And we want to do it in a way that will save you time, money, and frustration. So we don't recommend anything that we haven't tried ourselves because, well, we want you to be able to enjoy your tub, not uh, buy endless things to try and make it better. So over the years, I've been kicked off a few hot tub forums for trying to help people, and I've had a few haters. Although out of all the people that I've found hating and trolling me, none of them have actually been my customers. So anyway, it's an interesting world, and we've actually had a lot of great feedback, and had a couple bumps in the road with the Infinity filter, but that seems to be on track. Getting great results from a number of customers, and I'm really thankful for the ones that kind of helped me get the last little bit done, so that you guys can enjoy your hot tubs. Anyway, we got a lot of stuff going on, and my long overdue video on why granular chlorine and chlorine and bromine tablets can be the worst thing you can put in your hot tub. We've just had so many things going on, especially after Control-O-Matic closed their doors, trying to help people out there. But the video is about 50% complete now, and hope to have it out here in the next, probably next Friday. And look forward to sharing more of my journey here in making people's water extremely nice. And have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.